5 powerful Bible verses from Genesis 22, Abraham's test of faith and God's provision.
Genesis 22, verse 1. The test of faith. After these things, God tested Abraham and said to him, "Abraham." And he said, "Here I am." God initiates a deep test of Abraham's obedience and trust. "Here I am" shows a heart ready to listen. Genesis 22, verse 8. Faith and God's provision. Abraham said, "God will provide for himself the lamb for a burnt offering, my son." So they went, both of them together. Abraham speaks with faith, not knowing how God will provide, a powerful foreshadowing of Christ. Genesis 22, verse 12. God sees the heart. He said, "Do not lay your hand on the boy or do anything to him, for now I know that you fear God, seeing you have not withheld your son, your only son, from me." God affirms Abraham's reverence and total surrender, the moment of divine approval.
Genesis 22:13. Divine substitution. And Abraham lifted up his eyes and looked, and behold, behind him was a ram caught in a thicket by his horns. God provides a ram in place of Isaac, a picture of substitutionary sacrifice, pointing to Jesus. Genesis 22:14. God will provide. So Abraham called the name of that place, "The Lord will provide." As it is said to this day, "On the mount of the Lord it shall be provided." A powerful declaration, Yahweh Yireh, Jehovah Jireh, God is our provider.